Yo YouTube, what's going on? In today's video, I wanted to show you guys how to get this. It's called CarTube and it lets you actually bridge your iPhone to your Apple CarPlay or Android Auto and will essentially let you bridge that so you can go ahead and watch YouTube, Netflix, Prime, Disney+, Twitch, Spotify, TikTok, literally anything on your car system, you're gonna be able to do this. And this is all working completely for free. You don't need some extra external tool or you don't need a jailbreak, or you don't even need a computer. What we're gonna do is show you guys how to actually get this here today, how to get CarTube installed. It's completely for free. It takes within like a couple of minutes, and all we're gonna have to do is get some apps off the App Store or Google Play Store to fully install this. And I'm gonna show you and run you through how to get this here today within 5 minutes, okay? So very, very easy, completely for free. I'm going to show you guys what to do right now. So I'm going to turn on my screen recording on my iPhone. I'm just doing this inside because I actually don't have Wi-Fi out near my car. So I'm going to show you guys how to get the CarTube app here. So as you guys can see, we got CarTube, and that was kind of the thing here, what you can do. And you just simply press bridge to CarPlay, and then you can go ahead and stream all your services here. Very, very easy, just like that. You can do like route the audio to car, streaming quality, auto connect, disable while driving, touch controls, all that stuff. So yeah, very, very easy to install. Just wanted to kind of show you guys how cool this actually is, and it doesn't take you too long at all. But let's go ahead and show you guys how to install it. So what we're going to do is get CarTube. So come over here to Safari, and we're going to go and visit this website called www.getcartube.com. Literally as simple as that. www.get, so G-E-T, and then CarTube, car, and then tube, Tube.com. I got an accent, so might as well spell it out a little bit. But as you guys can see, it's going to take you to the Get CarTube app. It's going to say now available for CarPlay and Android Auto. Install CarTube, it's free. Okay, so as you guys can see, your car screen fully unlocked, no jailbreak needed, all streaming services, offline downloads, all that good stuff. So what you want to do is just go ahead and press on the top up here called Install CarTube. And this is basically going to go ahead and install it right here. It's not going to take you too long at all. So it's going to say complete, launching. Okay. And then it's going to take you to this page here. It's going to say 2 additional plugin files are required to install CarTube. Now, the reason why we're doing this is because we're not jailbreaking or doing some other weird process or hooking this up to a computer. This app, CarTube, basically installs through these other applications. And it says these are official from the iOS and Android stores that allow us to install CarTube to your device without a computer. So what you need to do is go ahead and complete at least 2 of these additional plugin files, and this is then going to install it to your device. It literally is this easy, it's free, and all you gotta do is simply follow along with this, install it, and we're gonna go ahead and get it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the, do this one right here. You might have different ones to me in this process, but all you guys have to do is go ahead and read the instructions on these, follow the instructions, it's very easy, and you're gonna go ahead and get CarTube. So it's gonna say real, so you're gonna type in this keyword, okay? And you're gonna press the red button, find this app, and it says it's in position 1, and then it just says install it. So that's gonna count as one of them. Like I said, you only gonna do this once for this in order for this to actually work. So yeah, once you got the app, you don't have to do this ever again. You should be all good. And it's just a way to install it without having to use a computer, and we can just get official apps off the Apple Store. So very, very easy. As you guys can see, I just typed in what it wanted. Yours might be different than mine. This is what mine said, so just do that. You have to do 2 of these in order for this to work. So make sure you guys are doing that, otherwise it literally will not work. Okay, so as you guys can see, there's that one done. I'm gonna go to this Moto one. We can do this Moto one now. And as you guys can see, we just did one there. Very, very easy, doesn't take you too long at all. So we're gonna do the second one now, and this is gonna be the same process. Type in that one, okay? Find this app, it says it's in position 1, and we're gonna do that now. So very easy. And like I said, if you're on Android, this is gonna be the exact same process, and you just gotta follow along. It's gonna be on Android, do your own thing, do your Android things, but I'm sure it's gonna be on the Google Play Store. So as you guys can see, it says Moto right there, we get that one. And it really is as simple as that. You just go ahead and complete whichever ones they are. And it doesn't take you too long, and you go ahead and get them. Now, you will need to go ahead and obviously open these up. You don't have to like play them and use them, and these are free apps, but yeah, you don't have to do anything like that unless it was required. But as you guys can see in step 3, it just says open them, and then you should be all good. So there's also other ones if you need help or you haven't got these ones. Let's say go ahead and get to a certain level in a game. If you haven't got these, I'd recommend doing these first. But yeah, you can do the level up one if you want as well. But yeah. Okay, so we're just opening up the first one we got, and then that should be all good. Once you guys that, you're gonna have CarTube installed, and now you can go ahead and bridge it to your car system. Really is that easy, guys. Simple as, completely for free, working as of May 2026. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.